That lifestyle stuck in my head, I ain't changing my ways. Out there posted on that corner, I ain't ate for some days. I'm tired of running from police, I'm just trying to get paid. And it's fucked the other side, cause that's how we was raised.
Hey man, wasn't in the cut, you feel me? I'm back with another banging video for y'all, man. So today I'm finna be going to the library and fix these on people, squirt this bottle on their neck, and let's go get some reaction. But before we get into the video, I want y'all to like, subscribe, and share the video, man. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm sorry, dude. You okay? My bad, yo. Should I get a napkin?
Sure.
Alright, man. My bad. I'm sorry, dude. Sorry, dude. I couldn't get any. Can I just wipe with my sleeve? Can I wipe with my sleeve?
Sure.
Alright. You good? My bad, yo. What do you play? Roblox? What do you play? Roblox?
Yeah.
Did I get you, sir?
Huh?
Did I get
no,
you?
that's okay.
I'm sorry, sir. Sir, it was just a video. Recording, sir. Huh? We're recording. It was just a video. It was this.
Oh, really?
Recording. Yeah, it was just a.
Oh,
Nice.
that's good.
Oh, I'm sorry. Just sneezed.
Oh, no.
I apologize. Sorry. You good? Sorry. Oh, sorry, sir. Should I get a napkin?
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
No problem.
Oh,
Jesus.
I'm sorry, sir. I'll get napkins.
Go away.
I'm getting one right now. Oh shit. Yo, Rain, you got it?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's. Oh, dude, I'm sorry, man. Yo, you good? I'm actually sorry. Do you want me to get a napkin? Dude, I'm sorry, man. I'll get a napkin, yo. Yo, I got no napkins. Fuck, you here? Come. I got no napkin, dog. I just ended the video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all get 100 likes on this video, I'm doing a part 2 with a better version, man. 10 times better version. Longer. And I might go do it twice on the same person. Yeah, you don't know, man. I might switch it up. Some funny reactions. Maybe I already have it. I don't know, man. 100 likes, part 2 coming. Like, subscribe, and share the video, man.
I don't wanna fall in love. Swear to God, man, these bitches ain't good enough for me. I just wanna smoke these straws. My heart on lock, and she looking for the key. Hell no, I ain't trying to call.